If you are like me that you're trying to balance family life, work, and have a YouTube channel like this one, you will find yourself a lot of the time really tired. And when comes the moment that you want to edit your videos, it may become a chore, even if you love to do it. Especially when you do so many mistakes, I do, and you have to be cutting and going back and watching it again and deleting it is a pain sometimes. That is why when I find out about this app is when I choose that I really need to show this to all of my viewers, because even though that this is not actually a tech video, I know that a lot of you also do YouTube videos or videos in general, and if you love to do content creation, this is a tool that is going to help you a lot, trust me. This software, guys, is going to give you a lot more free time. You're going to be able to edit your videos a lot faster thanks to this. The name of the program is ReCut. For the moment, guys, this app is only available for Mac. So I'm sorry all of you Windows users, but I have good news. I was talking with the developer of the app and he have told me that he thinks that the Windows version will be available on the end of the year. So stay tuned for that. What a best way to show you how this app works is to do it live in front of you. Once you have it open, it's going to look a little bit like this. You don't see too much options or anything like that. What you have to do is to drop a file right here, or you can click the arrow to add a file. I have set up here my previous video, the review of the G305 mouse. Let's click into open, and here you see all these red parts. These have already cut off all the silence parts on your video. And as you can see right here, only with this part, the duration of my video was 12 minutes and 11 seconds, and right now is 7 minutes with 36 seconds. Guys, these have already removed almost 5 minutes of the video that is only silence. And as you guys know, this is a pain to be cutting all the scenes where you are then speaking. You can set some different settings right here. The threshold, I really recommend you to leave it in automatic. This program does an amazing work at that. The minimum duration, that the silence longer than this, and you can write in seconds, is going to be cut. The padding is the space that is going to leave between cuts. I set my padding at 0.2. This is perfect for me. I like really fast jump cuts on my videos, but if you like a little bit more relaxing subject, you can increase it. And the remove blips. These are audio clips that they are so small that you are not really speaking, maybe you make a noise. For example, in this option right here, as less as 0.2 seconds, it's going to cut them as well. You can preview your video, or you can simply go into the export tab right here, and you can do a couple of things here. You can export a new video or audio file with already the silence removed. And you click Open Exporter, and you're going to set the resolution, the preset if you want to high quality or a pass-through that is fast, and then you simply have to click to export. What I do the most, I edit my videos in Final Cut Pro, but if you use another software, right here you can export the timeline only. You can choose between Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, Davinci Resolve, an XLM file or an EDL file. And it's so easy as remove all the silent clips and select export. And when you are in your editing software, you only have to do is to import the XML file. Select the file that you just created with ReCut, click on import. And as you can see right here, these have already made all the cuts. So if you have any mistakes, you only need to delete them, and you can edit your video really fast. Guys, this software has saved so much time from my life that you cannot imagine. And speaking with the developer, making all these questions about the Windows version, he offered me to have an affiliate code. If you use the code in the description down below, you are going to have a $10 discount on this software. It's not free, you're going to be able to try it out. I do believe it's 5 times or 6 times that you can edit a video there, or cut a video there mostly, without paying anything, just to test the software, and if you're happy with it, you can purchase. These have been a game-changing tool for me, guys. And if you want a little bit more free time, try it out. If you enjoy it, take it. I 100% recommend it. I was already planning to make this video a long time ago, even before I contacted the developer. So guys, it's a tool that I 100% recommend for you and for everybody that enjoy doing content creation, especially in front of the camera or for YouTube videos. That is pretty much it. Sorry if this was not a tech video like you're used to it, but I think it's also really important tool to share. If you enjoyed the content, drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, on this video normally we show tech tutorials, reviews and guides. So don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. I'm preparing a new video right here. Old hardware, still worth it? Let's check it out. So guys, thanks for watching my friends, and like always, I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye!